Hello everyone! Is your car having shifting problems, running rough, or struggling to accelerate? If your OBD-II scanner shows P0725, engine speed input circuit malfunction, this means your car's PCM isn't receiving accurate engine RPM data from the crankshaft position sensor. In this video, I'll explain what P0725 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to find the affected sensors and components. Let's get started. What is P0725? The P0725 trouble code is triggered when the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, fails to receive a proper engine speed signal from the crankshaft position sensor. Without this data, the transmission won't know when to shift properly, leading to rough performance or even limp mode. Common symptoms of P0725: hard or delayed shifting engine misfires or rough idling, sluggish acceleration. Check engine light on possible limp mode activation. If you're facing these issues, let's locate the affected components. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To diagnose P0725, check these key components. Crankshaft position sensor, CKP sensor. Location: near the crankshaft, usually at the bottom of the engine, near the harmonic balancer or flywheel. Function: measures engine RPM and sends data to the PCM. Transmission input: speed sensor, ISS sensor. Location: mounted on the transmission near the input shaft. Function: measures transmission input speed to help with shifting. Powertrain Control Module, PCM. Location: under the hood, typically near the firewall or battery. Function: processes engine speed data for proper transmission control. Wiring and connectors location: between the CKP sensor, ISS sensor, and PCM. Function: transmits engine speed data. Any short circuit can trigger P0725. Common causes of P0725: faulty crankshaft position sensor, CKP. If the sensor fails, the PCM won't receive engine speed data. Defective input speed sensor, ISS. If faulty, the transmission won't shift correctly. Wiring issues: frayed, corroded, or disconnected wires between the CKP sensor, ISS sensor, and PCM. Failed PCM. A malfunctioning PCM may not process RPM signals correctly. How to fix P0725. Step 1. Inspect the CKP sensor. Look for cracks, damage, or loose connections. Step 2. Test the CKP sensor with a multimeter. If it's not sending the correct voltage, replace it. Step 3. Check the ISS sensor. If the transmission isn't shifting properly, test this sensor too. Step 4. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for damaged or corroded wires and repair them. Step 5. Check the PCM. If the issue persists, a PCM failure may need professional diagnosis. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and check performance. Ignoring P0725 can lead to serious transmission issues, poor performance, and even a stalled engine. Fix it early to avoid costly repairs. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0706, Transmission Range Sensor Circuit Malfunction. P0707, Transmission Range Sensor Circuit Low Input. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.